of the rules. That's why better open the paintbrush, draw your own talent and set that as a to logo. Why is our others our selfie available? Reduce the size of the selfie, set to your logo, simple. So that also I'm going to show you. Wait. So this is the paintbrush. In every operating system, one painting tool is available, sir. The Mac, Unix, Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, whatever it may be. Painting related one small software compulsory available, so please identify that one. And this is my paintbrush. Here I'm going to designing a small picture. Creating our own logo like as Flickr to Google, Amazon or something like that. So the logos kada, it's better take the some different style, nothing else. So this is red, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. Which one? Middle, second, third?
First.
Third. Okay. So get this one. Place here. Next we are reducing the size. Yellow kada, red we apply. Small icon, ready. Next file menu, save. Go to the file menu, save. Where sir? Again in our folder. Save in our folder. E drive, HTML6, logo, .png. Extension is .png. ICO not supported here. So logo.png, save. Done. Now back to program. Change the name of this one. Logo.png. Now refresh your web page. So you got your own logo like this. But no copyrights problem. My name or my logo. So predefined we can just download from the Google and use here. Otherwise design your own logos like this. These are the two settings, sir. Head section, settings purely. Next, body section inside, sir. Adi, you can go for designing part. I'm just writing a small message here. Demo on, setting, title, and logo of your web page. Just this one. Because the page is displaying very blank page. Kada? Instead of blank page, I'm just printing a small message here. So body comes at the white paper. Head comes outside the white. Got a clear difference available between the head and body. Next, we are going to the next tag. The next one is label tag. The next one is label tag. So what is the purpose of this tag and how to use this tag, sir? First of all, the purpose is it is used for displaying of the prompting messages. So prompting means, sir, conveying the information to user. After opening the web page, what are the data user they have to enter, and in that particular text box which value the programmer is expecting, that information we have to share to user. A small application form available, lot of fields are available. In which field which data required, sir? Generally public doesn't know. You also doesn't know, I also doesn't know. Who designed that application form? That person only knows. That's in every application form of fields, fill in the blanks before or top or we have the small message. Write name in black letters or write your father name, date of birth, married status, nationality, religion, and some headings are available. Those called as the labels. And when you are getting that label, what we have to fill in this box will get the clarity as a common man. A labels not available, sir, getting problem to fill the application form. Labels available case also we are getting problem to fill the application form. No pointer. Your application forms available, the labels available, clear headings also available, but still we are struggling to fill the application form. No idea, na? I'll give one passport application form. Without single mistake, try to fill anybody. 80% doing mistakes there. Out of 100 people, 80% wrongly filling the passport application form. Guarantee. That's why somebody doing that duty separately. We are ready to fill your application form 500 rupees or 200 rupees. And normal people's conformly doing the mistakes. So some of the application form, it's a complication to fill. But even headings available. But headings not available, what is situation? So that's why in every application form, labels are generally playing the key role. We want to see that one, sir. Go to any of the website, no problem. This is the Monster website registration page. Job portal Monster is there, no? That registration page. We have a lot of fields here. A big application form is available. A fields above, a black letters available. These all are labels. Full name, label, email ID, label, password is label, mobile number is also a label. So this is the labels purpose. While designing of the application form, which information we have to enter in that field, the clarity providing to the users. This is what I said technically, sir, prompting message. Is it prompting us, sir? Yes. Programmer saying and you are doing, sir. Programmer saying, a user, fill here your full name, fill here your contact number, fill here your email ID. They are prompting. But programmer not available, sir. Secretly available here, they are prompting. And you are just following that one. In our programming languages, either C or Java something language, we have some scanning steps for taking data from user input statements. Scanf, scanner class or something. Every scanning step before what we have? Printf. That is prompting step, sir. Every scanning step before one printing step compulsory. Why that printing, sir? What you have to enter, how the user identifying by using that printing only. Without printing, if you write directly scanning steps, sir, this is the reaction. For you, for me, both. Because program not developed by you, gada. Others developed a program you are running. How you know that? So for everybody, including myself also, same reaction only. For avoiding of that one, enter X value, enter Y value, enter first number, enter second number. A clear messaging comes in our programming languages also. That messaging, what you are calling, I don't know, sir, but it is called as prompting. So the same prompting we can produce by using these labels. It is a pair and it is an inline tag. Nature of the label is it's a paired, opening, closing compulsory, and moreover it is a inline tag. Inline means what, sir? Inline means data comes side by side. Block level means data displaying always in fresh line. So label is basically inline tag, and this is the code syntax. Open the label, write some text and close the label. So I'm just changing the heading. Next program kada. My second page. Icon same icon continuation. So body inside I'm using the label here. What is the label, sir? Enter full name. This is the label. Enter your full name. Next one, sir. Label. Enter contact number. So these are the some of the labels what we are facing in our application forms. If I run this one, what happens, sir? Both labels are comes side by side. This is the first label and this is the second label. Basically it's a inline tag, so it's coming side by side here. And still your logo continues and your title is also continuous. See that one. But in Monster we have some text boxes or something, sir. We are discussing currently about the only this part only. But if it is star symbol available, that tag is different. A box available for typing of your full name, that tag is different. But if you want to create this single field, we need total 3 tags. Enter full name is different, star symbol different. For typing of this text box, that box is different. Right now we started with the first tag only. These all headings that labels only, sir. Next, just a simple tag displaying the prompting or confirmation messages to here users what to do, what we have to enter. That's a very simple thing. Next one, continuation, one more small tag, span tag. So another simple and small tag, span tag. What is the use of span tag, sir? First of all, what is the meaning of span, sir? Span means a piece of information. Span is nothing but a piece of information. It is small textual information. The yellow color I highlighted, sir. See that one. Small textual information. If you want to display the small text, single letter, single symbol, single digit, these scenarios we are using the span tag. The one situation. Displaying of this small textual information, the span tag we are going to using. Second scenario, sir. If you want to highlight any text, highlightation of the text, that scenarios also we are going to using the span tag. Highlightation of the text means sir, highlight word observed, it displaying in the red color. Actually total sentence available in the black color sir, but this single word is displaying in the red color. So what is this type of thing called? Highlightation. And a particular word I want to present more effectively to the user for attraction purpose. That scenarios we are going to highlighting that one. For highlightation of the text in our real life, separate pens available kada. Highlighters available sir, separate pens. In our college notice boards, notice not observed. Notice of 20 sentences available sir. But in the 2-3 words yellow color highlighted kada. My college they highlighted. In our college I don't know. Examination notification released sir. Unnoticed they sticked on notice board. But all data you want to highlight it, last date of submission, exam date highlightation pause enough. The 20 lines of matter, who is going to reading sir? What is the last date of submission of application? What is the exam date? Are 2 dates enough or not? What our college management doing? On special pens available for highlighting of the text. Yellow color most probably using. You will get the same type of output. Corona effect, and the last 1.5 year onwards we are not attending colleges kada. Corona effect college So in regular data, in regular text, some particular word or some particular alphabet, I want to highlight it sir. That scenarios we are using this span tag. The second scenario. Third scenario sir, if you want to display any error message, invalid username, invalid contact number, invalid email ID, these type of error messages if you want to display anything, that scenarios also we are using the span tag. You will see that in Monster we have that one. We got some small error here. Please enter your full name. That is generally will prefer the span tag. Got a star symbol available sir. That is also span tag. Star symbol is span tag. This message is also span tag. Full name label. Full name is label. But you said that some highlightation of that one sir. Highlightation of word enter, this is no use. You have to open some news related websites, so Wikipedia style, and a huge amount of text available some websites. If you open those websites, some words they are differently displaying. Not only yellow color sir, some green color or some red color or some italic or some bold or some special effect available on the particular word. This is the purpose and scenarios of the span tag, and the nature is it's a pair tag and it is also inline tag. Opening, closing plus all span tags are comes the side by side only, and this is the syntax. Open the span tag, write your text and close the span tag. And see the example. Span. I'm just printing a small message, sir. Hi. What I said, to print the small textual information. That is what I am printing here. Hi. Now it will comes with any different style, different color, sir. No. Initially it will comes in the black and white color only. Nothing special. No color specifications. No something. So second scenario, sir. Please enter a valid name. This is the second scenario. Error messages. First one small textual information, sir. Second one error message scenarios. Output is comes in black and white only, sir. No specials. But in explanations, you said the red color or something, sir. CSS also required, sir. Only span no, CSS supporting also required. Span with CSS. Only CSS no chance, no only span is no use. Span with the CSS available, then this type of effect 100% comes. Now I displayed the same message. Please enter a valid name. Color I want to apply, sir. CSS support required. So these are the two simple tags. How to use, I just explained here, sir. Next we have the small thing pending, implementation. How to write the tag, how it is working, just that awareness only we got it. Next we go to implementation also. Implementation will get the effectively like that. I'm taking a small line break here. See the implementation. Some CSS options also I'm going to implementing, but don't worry about that one. Observe just output only. We are printing a small paragraph here. So this is paragraph, or 2 lines of paragraph is there. In these 2 lines of paragraph, can you identify the important words? All words important, yes, I don't say that one. Important words. 30 days. Next, not free software. Next, buy the license. Main and important words. 3 words if you effectively display it, sir. Rest of sentence we don't need to study. That is called as highlightation importance. If you are not highlighted any words, sir, totally hard to study. Time waste process. But this not a free software, this 30 days buy the license. These words I want to display something specially. So start the span tag here, highlighting the continuity of the text. That is, this is meaning. Span close, and this should, I want to display with something the yellow color. Highlightation universal yellow color. So background yellow. Next, the same thing I want to use for others also. Same color or different color, sir. Choice is yours. If you are interested, continue the same color. Otherwise, you can go for the different color. Two words is highlighted with yellow color and one word is highlighted with the cyan color. And see the output. So this is output. This is called as highlightation of the text in regular and continuity of the data. Data continuing, but middle of the data I want to display something special. So just go for this one. One of the situation how to use the span tag. Next, another situation I am going to using. Again, 2 lines of gap. So label, like as our application form, I am going to designing here. Label. Here I am asking some enter username. Label close. And label username. Username compulsory to type. It's a compulsory to type, so that we have to inform to user also, sir. Then we are using the span tag and printing the star symbol. Single symbol, star, span separately. And this star symbol we have to display with the different color and different size compared to your regular data. Regular data black color is comes, but star symbol either red color or maroon color it will comes. So style, color is red, font size 20 pixels. The first labels are line break. Next, input, type equals to text. Don't think about these tags are upcoming explanations. I'm just showing the situation, that's all. So please don't raise the questions related to this style, this input or something. The first one. And the second one, password, again star symbol and password. Next one, sir, a button, heading login and button close. This is the small login form we designed, sir. In this login form, you will get the implementation of label tag and you will get the implementation of span tag. How we are using the tags, this is going to show you. The implementation, sir. This is our testing, sir. This is testing. Testing over, sir. This is implementation. This is implementation. Now see the output. So this is output. Username, red color star. You can type the username here. Next password, red color star. You can type the password here. And then click on the login button. This is implementation. If I click on the login button, it doesn't react, sir, because complete program not done. You can click it. No reactions. For your awareness, I designed this one. We don't know button tags are. Yes, our upcoming discussions. Just up to that, we have to get an awareness in which situations we are using. A situation showing only, I designed this part. You also get an awareness. Oh, these are the scenarios. So today we finished about the 4 tags: title, link, label and span. So rest of things will continue on tomorrow's session. Thank you all.